So the main focuses of our DevOps program were, I would say we broke them down into two pieces. So the first thing was we did not have a DevOps tool chain, and we had some source code management tools and some things like that. But the first phase was we needed to build out the DevOps capabilities. So we had to stand up these tools so that other teams could leverage them. And the second part of the program was about teaching the application teams how to work in a different way. So, the goal of our program was to not do this work for the application team. It was to create the tool chain and then teach those teams how to fish. How do you use that tool chain to automate the work that you do on a day-to-day basis? And that could be, obviously developers were a big focus of this, but it also included infrastructure teams and testing teams, is, integrating the automation tools into the way that they work. The way that we organized initially was 4 Scrum teams. One of the teams was focused more on the testing capabilities. The second was more on infrastructure. The third was CI/CD, and the fourth was on self-service, and that started a little bit later in the program. And the way that the journey kind of flowed was we did spend the first half. It was a 3-year program, so roughly the first half, basically installing, configuring the tools, integrating them with each other, and doing proof of concepts with teams who were willing to get in here and just try to figure it out. So once we felt like we had the tool chain pretty much built out and the capabilities out there, the focus of the program then quickly shifted to how do we drive adoption of the tool chain. So how do we partner with our application teams to teach them how to do this? How do we help them understand how to assess where their needs are and figure out how to leverage the tools to drive innovation in their areas? So it became very much of, once we've got it, then we have to figure out how to make it a part of the day-to-day operation for all of our teams.